Crackling into the tech world? Here's a rapid-fire rundown of the top 5 IT certifications to propel your career into the stratosphere. First up, Big Data Certification. As data grows, so does its significance. This certification can turn you into a sought-after data wizard, capable of decoding complex data puzzles. Next, AI Certification. With artificial intelligence permeating every industry, this certification provides you with the skills to design and implement AI solutions. Third in line, Certified Information System Security Professional, CISSP. A must-have for information security professionals, it equips you to protect sensitive information in an increasingly digital world. Fourth, Data Science Certification. It goes hand in hand with big data, empowering you to extract valuable insights from raw data. Finally, Cloud Computing Certification. As businesses shift to the cloud, this certification ensures you're ready to manage and secure cloud-based resources. Remember, the future belongs to those who prepare for it today. So, get certified and conquer the tech world.